some math with my new television stand. Alright, so my TV stand is broken up into fractions or equal parts. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal parts in my television stand. Alright, so today we're going to work on shading part of the fraction and then writing that fraction. Alright, so let's try. Let's go ahead and put some, let's shade some of these equal parts in. Ready? Let's see it. Wow! Look what we have here. We have some of our equal parts shaded in. Oh my gosh, let's count and see how many we have shaded in. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts of the total 8 squares are shaded in. Now let's go to our whiteboard and see how that looks. Fancy. Alright, so here we go, boys and girls. We have blank of the total pieces are filled or shaded. Alright, so we know we had 3 shaded in because we counted them. And we counted how many total pieces or equal parts there were. And there were 8 equal parts in my TV stand. Alright, so now how we show that in fraction form is the number of shaded parts on top and the total pieces or the whole on the bottom. So we had a total of 8 pieces. There's a fancy word for that bottom one, and that's called the denominator. So our denominator is 8. And then the number of shaded, or the parts, was 3. So our fraction is 3/8, or 3/8. Thanks for your help, boys and girls. Now let's try another one. Time for this to change so we can try another one. Ready? Go! Whoa! Looky there! Now we have more shaded. Alright, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal parts, but we've got a few more shaded in. So let's go ahead and count those and see what our fraction is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so we have 5 shaded in of our total 8 pieces. Let's hop on over to our whiteboard so that we can finish our problem. Let's go! Whoa! Here we are with my whiteboard. Alright, so we said that 5 of the total 8 pieces were shaded or filled. So let's go ahead and write that. Five of the total 8 pieces were shaded or filled. Alright, so now we got to fill in our numerator and our denominator. So the numerator is the shaded part, or how many we had shaded. And we knew we had 5 shaded. Alright, and then now we've got to just finish our denominator to figure out our fraction. So the total pieces, or the whole, was 8. So we have 5/8, or 5/8. Good job, boys and girls. Now we've got to go to a different station to try some more fractions. Please help me out. Let's go. Look, boys and girls, I found another fraction in my house. All right, I know this is a fraction because it has 4 equal parts, all right? So this square is divided into 4 equal parts, all right? But what happens if we shade some of those areas in? How will our fraction look? All right, let's go ahead and use some magic to get a couple of these filled. Let's go. Wow, awesome, they filled up. All right, so we still have 4 total equal pieces, but now some of them are shaded in. Looks like 1, 2 are shaded in. So how do you think that we'll write that as a fraction? Let's try it. Let's hop on over to the whiteboard. All right, so now we've got to fill in our sentence again. Of the total pieces are filled or shaded in. So, if I remember correctly, boys and girls, we had 2 of the 4 total pieces are filled or shaded. Alright, so let's go ahead and figure out our fraction. Remember, we have a numerator and a denominator. So our total pieces, or our whole, was 4. My shelf, or that square, was divided into 4 equal pieces. Alright, now the number shaded. Remember, the 2 of the 4 total were shaded. Alright, so now we have 2/4. 2/4 of my square were shaded. Alright, and when you get to 3rd grade, you'll be able to simplify this to 1/2. Alright, okay, let's try another one. Alright, so let's go ahead and clear this out and try another one. Alright, let's go. Whoa, looky here. It's changed. It's going to be a new fraction. Alright, but remember, we still have 4 equal pieces. But now, only 1 is shaded. So I wonder how that will change our fraction. Let's go on over to our board and check it out. Alright, here it is. Alright, we know that there is only 1 of the 4 total pieces are filled or shaded. Alright, so now we've got to finish our fraction down here. Finish the numerator, finish the denominator, and we got a fraction. Alright, so our total pieces for this one is still 4. We've got 4 total equal parts. But the number of shaded parts changed this time. We only have 1 shaded in or filled. So that changed our fraction. Now our fraction is 1/4, or 1/4. Great job helping me with these fractions, boys and girls. Now it's your turn to try some of your own fractions. You're going to try it with a rectangle and a circle. Go ahead and send a picture of those to me after you're finished. I can't wait to see all your fraction work. Have fun and good luck!